In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Stremio on a Sony TV. Before we begin, make sure your Sony TV is actually running Android TV or Google TV, because that's what allows you to access the Play Store and install apps directly. You'll also want to confirm that your TV is connected to the internet and working properly, since the installation depends on an active connection. Next, open a web browser on any device you have nearby. This could be your phone, your laptop, or even the browser on your TV if you prefer. The goal here is simply to access the official Stremio website so you can confirm you're following the correct installation path. Once your browser is open, type Stremio official site into the search bar and run the search. From the results, select the official Stremio website. Be careful to choose the correct site, since using the official source is the best way to avoid confusion, and make sure you're looking at the right app information. After that, go to the Downloads page. One easy way to reach the main download section is by clicking the Windows Download option on the website. Even though you're not installing it on Windows, this can take you to the broader Downloads area where Stremio lists setup guidance for different devices. When you're on that Downloads page, scroll down until you find the section that mentions Sony TV or Android TV. This helps confirm that your TV platform is supported and points you toward the correct installation method, which in this case is through the Google Play Store on your television. Now switch over to your Sony TV. From the home screen, open the Google Play Store. Once you're in the Play Store, use the search function and type in Stremio. When the results appear, choose the official Stremio app. Take a second to make sure it's the correct app before continuing. Then select Install and wait for the process to complete. Depending on your internet speed, this may only take a few moments. It's a good idea to let the installation finish fully before pressing anything else, just to keep the process smooth. Once installation is complete, open Stremio from your TV's apps list. At that point, the app should be ready to launch on your Sony TV. And that's it. You've successfully installed Stremio on your Sony TV. Thanks for watching.